So a grade 8th parent walked into my cabin and I could see that he was really confused and he had fear in his eyes. When he sat down, he was like that, ma'am, my kid is in just grade 8 and while going in 9th, you guys have decided to prepare the grade 9th A students for JEE and NEET. And he was like कि मेरा बच्चा अभी से मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग का प्रिपेयर करेगा and he was really concerned about his. Oh, and how did you handle this? So I opened our dashboard and I showed him that all the careers on the planet can be divided into 14 career types, and I told him that how kids will be solving case studies so that they'll get the real work done in that particular occupation. Right. And how did he react to that? He was like, oh, so is this going to be a trial and error kind of a thing? I said, yes, it's going to be a guided trial and error kind of a thing. Ah, nicely put. Yes. So the most amazing part is when I was showing him all these things, that how kids will be exploring projects, doing mentor sessions, mega challenges. He was so impressed by it and he said that these kids are really lucky. I wish I had something like this when I was growing up. Amazing. That is such a compliment. Yes, and that line stayed with me and I was like, I'm so grateful that I'm the part of this journey. And kids are not just exploring or deciding the career today. They're exploring now and they can decide it later on, not the other way around. Yeah, that's very important. Yes.